Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to fix a Speedflex Chin Strap. Start by removing the helmet liner gently and finding the strap anchor points so you can work clearly and safely. Clean the area with mild soap and dry thoroughly to reveal any hidden damage. I will guide you through replacing rivets, sewing torn webbing, and testing the buckle so your strap feels solid and secure again. Begin by supporting the helmet inside so the shell does not flex while you remove the rivet, and work slowly to avoid enlarging the hole. Use a rivet that matches the original diameter and set it snugly so the strap does not rotate. If the buckle is loose, tighten mounting screws or replace them with slightly longer screws for a firmer hold. Reassemble and test the strap thoroughly before wearing the helmet. When webbing is torn, trim frays and overlap the two ends by about 1 inch before sewing to keep the load distributed across fibers. Use heavy nylon thread and make multiple passes with a strong stitch pattern, keeping tension even to avoid puckering. Add a small reinforcing patch of webbing or use a folded sleeve over the seam for extra durability. Finally, flex the strap and inspect the stitches to ensure reliability before use.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.